What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best truck winch on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Champion 10,000 LEB. Trucks of winch. The motor is pretty powerful and works well, and it has 3 speed settings: slow, medium, and fast. However, the medium setting is the most useful. It lets you adjust the speed of the winch according to the weight of the load you're pulling. It's very reliable and won't stall or overheat even when used for extended periods. It's easy to adjust the speed and change the settings using the handheld Quick Connect remote control and 12-foot cable. There are several safety features built into this winch, such as an overload safety that automatically stops the winch if the cable is too short to fully unwind the drum, an automatic brake that stops the winch if the load gets too heavy, a chain brake that stops the winch if it encounters a sharp object or other obstacles, and a dynamic braking system that brakes the winch at the optimum point to minimize wear and tear on the cable. Design-wise, I like how the winch comes in a box about the size of a large pizza. You don't have to worry about losing this in your back seat or truck. There is also an instruction manual and a cable storage bag. The handle of the winch is large and comfortable to hold. This is helpful when winching on rough terrain. It has a full 360° rotation, so that you can work in any direction and position. You can even use it to pull up your vehicle without getting off it. In our list, the number 4 product name is Smittybilt XRC Gen 2 9.5K waterproof winch. This winch comes with all the tools that you need to install it. It also comes with a manual and some extra information on how to use the winch. The Smittybilt Gen 2 XRC winch comes with a dual-stage, powder-coated chain that will not rust or corrode and protect against saltwater for up to 5 years. When you purchase this winch from Smittybilt, you will be able to customize it to your exact needs. You can also add additional accessories such as a drag line, hoist hook, or crane line. This winch has a large 500-amp solenoid, perfect for lifting trucks off the ground. It has a shallow noise level and is designed to be easy to use. The Smittybilt Gen 2 XRC winch is the best electric truck winch for commercial use, and it won't disappoint. In our list, the number 3 product name is Warn 95960 Zeon Platinum. The advanced wireless remote operates the winch, reads the motor temperature, reads up to 2 additional accessories, and comes with a USB charging cable and car charger adapter. The advanced wireless remote has a unique and easy-to-use control feature where you can operate the winch, clutch, and accessories using your smartphone. With its IP68 waterproof rating, this winch is protected against dust, water. The Warn Zeon Platinum 12WS features a 2x as durable as previous models. This winch will last you a long time if you use it for its intended purpose. The Zeon Platinum 12S is also 80 stronger than a regular Warn winch. It is built to perform under heavy use, making it suitable for use in the real world. In our list, the number 2 product name is Xpel Winch 10,000 LB. Load capacity electric winch. The Xpel synthetic rope winch is a great winch that is designed to be used for your Jeep or other types of vehicle. It is lightweight and portable. The Xpel synthetic rope winch comes with a waterproof remote control. This feature allows you to control the winch even if it's submerged in water. It is equipped with a high-performance, durable, sealed contactor that makes the winch run smoothly. The Xpel synthetic rope winch also has a powerful motor that can pull up to 10 times the weight of the winch itself. This winch can even pull a trailer attached to a Jeep. The Xpel synthetic rope winch is made for rugged use. It is built with a heavy-duty, sealed contactor. The winch uses a 500-amp solenoid valve to provide power. This feature allows the winch to operate with less amperage. The Xpel synthetic rope winch can run continuously with a load of 3,000 lbs. It is the best off-road winch because it can easily be used for your Jeep or other vehicle types. There is also free lifetime technical support and a 1-year limited warranty, so if there is an issue, you can always contact the company and they will be able to provide professional service. In our list, the #1 product name is Smittybilt X2 Gen 210 waterproof wireless winch. The Smittybilt X2 is the ideal winch for anyone looking to add a little extra security to their pickup truck or trailer. An excellent winch for heavy-duty use, and it has a maximum load capacity of 17,500 lbs. It is effortless to install as it comes with the necessary tools. In addition, Smittybilt X2 is very reliable. I have used this winch a few times, and it has never failed me. It provides maximum strength and has a lifespan of 5 years on the electrical side of things. The Smittybilt X2 is a versatile and best pickup truck winch. You can use it on all types of vehicles. It comes with a 4-way roller fair lead. This makes it easier to operate the winch, even when there's no trailer attached. The winch can be used manually or with the help of wireless remote control. It comes with many accessories such as ropes and a rope sleeve. It also includes a wireless remote control. The winch comes with 2 mounting options, which makes installation. It's designed to provide maximum security and safety for the user. A great product at a great price, the Smittybilt X2 is one of the best winches on the market. It is the right choice if you want the most reliable winch out there. The Smittybilt X2 winch is one of the best in its class.